Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I found this awesome article talking about how ChatGPT just passed this Wharton professor's final exam and the professor says he won't ban the AI tool. Now guys, if you don't know about ChatGPT, basically it is turning the world upside down. It is probably, in my opinion, one of the most powerful tools I have ever seen, for regular people just like you and me. I mean, what you can do with this tool, with this AI chat GPT is just unbelievable. It is insane. I'm literally telling everybody that I know about it. I just had no idea it was that amazing. So basically, what is chat GPT? It's basically like, imagine like a Google search box that you could type anything into it and it will spit you out a response. It doesn't matter what it is. You could ask it to, pass a test for you. You could ask it to write an essay for you. You can ask it to, write you a email campaign, a book. You could ask it to basically write you anything. You could even ask it questions. Now, when I look at stories like this, where a professor is basically saying, "Hey, the cat's out of the bag, man. Like, there's nothing we can do at this point. This is now a tool that everybody has." And in my opinion, this is just my opinion, and I mean, in a year from now things are going to be very different, but basically I'm thinking that this is going to make a lot of college degrees obsolete, because we don't need to basically learn anymore, like like the simple stuff in some ways, because there's going to be a computer that can do it a lot faster. So, when you, for example, you go into a school to learn how to write code, right, which is important, but now you could just go to ChatGPT and say, "Hey, build me a website, write me the code for a website," and it's done, right? So do we really now need to, learn traditional type of college degrees? It's going to put everything on its heels, right? That's the only way I could, describe it, because there's stories now that this chat gpt is passing doctor exams better than students, right? So now you wonder, if I'm going to go see a doctor, do I want to see a real human doctor? I rather see an AI doctor. It's going to be able to be faster, probably more efficient. It's going to be cheaper, and it's going to be most likely more accurate. So, you know what? I think healthcare is going to take a big, big hit. So let's jump into ChatGPT. For those of you who don't know what it is, just go to Google, search ChatGPT, and then just go to the first link that you see. It's basically going to be called openai.com/blog/GPT. Once you click on that, it's going to take you here. Go ahead and just create an account. So after you sign up, basically it's going to take you here where you're going to have a text box right here, and you could basically ask it anything you want. It will write you anything, literally anything you want. You could say, for example, okay, so check this out. I just wrote, this is just getting our feet wet. I wrote, "Write a 5-paragraph story about a musician trying to make it in New York City, falls in love, and becomes famous." Okay, and I press enter. Check this out. And there it goes. Now imagine if I had a creative writing class in college. I could literally just ask this chat GPT to do my homework for me, and it's done in seconds. Turn it in, and it's a done deal. It's very, very scary for schools, as how do they tackle now, students having access to this type of technology. Now let's do something else. For example, I said, "Write me a college essay about the fall of the Inca Empire in Peru." And look at it go. Just starts writing. And basically, imagine I could use this for, basically copywriters are out of business as of today, right? This also does translations to other languages. I mean, this is insane, right? Who's going to get affected? I think everybody is going to be affected by AI. I mean, literally, the only people that are probably not going to be affected are going to be plumbers and electricians, because other than that, I just see technology just advancing so fast with anybody who actually works with computers. Like for example, I could literally, we're at a point where I could have, chat gpt spit out a YouTube script. I could have a computer voice record the script, and then there's literally AI programs that edit videos for you. Look, it's already done. While I was talking, here's my college essay, and I could literally keep adding more parameters. I could say, give me sources or make it longer, expand on this topic, whatever. But basically, that's it. It's done. So, I want to hear from you. I want you guys to comment down below and let me know, what kind of industry do you work in, and do you think you're going to be affected by a tool this powerful? Again, you could ask it to write you code. For example, you could say, write me, look at this. I said, write me HTML code for a picture next to text with a spacer on top and bottom, right? And there it is. Check this out. I got my divider on top and the bottom. I have my image, and then I have my text that I would then change. I could then grab this and plug it into a website. So you can see how even web designers are done, right? Like, your simple programmers. I mean, look, I just did it, and I'm not even a coder. All I have to do is plug this in. So, guys, this is revolutionary. It is like the invention of the telephone, and I'm looking forward to see how it's really going to change our life. But I guarantee you, come a year from today, the world is going to be an incredibly different place as far as technology is concerned, because this is coming at us fast. Okay, now if we have access to this now, you could imagine some of these bigger companies, they probably have had access to this for a long, long time. So imagine what they're working on right now that we don't have access to. Again, I definitely encourage you guys to check out ChatGPT. Like, again, just go and Google it and get to this page, sign up, and start writing stuff and see what it spits out. I mean, it's endless, guys. This is insane. If you like my new channel, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button. And again, please like and leave a message. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next video.